Hello everyone, I hope you are all fine and healthy. Before I start this story, I want to share something honestly, straight from the heart. Have you ever wondered why some people speak English with confidence? Why they learn it faster than others? And why, step by step, they move toward success in life? The secret is not talent. The secret is not money. The real secret is daily practice. They focus on using English in real life, not just studying rules. If you also want better English and a better future, this video is for you. Watch till the end and try to bring these simple, daily sentences into your own life. Now, let me tell you my story. My name is Mark, and I am not special. I am not rich. I am not highly educated. I come from a poor, middle-class family. My life was simple, but it felt heavy. Heavy with responsibilities. Heavy with pressure. Heavy with expectations. Every morning, I woke up early. Not for dreams, but for duties. I helped my family. I worried about money. I thought about my future. This was my daily routine. Wake up, work, come home tired, sleep, and repeat. At that time, English was not my biggest problem. My real problems were different. Bills at the end of the month. Family needs. Questions from society. People often asked me, "What do you do? What have you achieved? Why are you still here?" These questions hurt more than failure itself. I stayed quiet. Not because I had nothing to say, but because I did not have the confidence to say it. Slowly, I began to notice something. In offices, in interviews, in meetings, people who spoke English were treated differently. Even if they were average, people listened. Even if they were wrong, people respected them. That is when I realized something important. In our society, English is not just a language. It is power. Still, I ignored it. I told myself, I don't have time. I am too tired. I will learn later. But later never came. One night, after a long and tiring day, I sat alone in my room. No phone. No noise. Only my thoughts. I asked myself, if my daily routine stays the same, how will my life ever change? I did not blame society. I did not blame people. I looked at myself. And that night, I decided to change one small thing. Not my job. Not my family. Just my routine. The next morning, before the sun rose, I stood in front of the mirror. I looked at myself and said slowly, "Good morning. My name is Mark. I am learning English. I will try every day." My voice was weak. My English was broken. But my intention was strong. While washing my face, I said, "I am washing my face." While getting dressed, I said, "I am getting ready." Before leaving home, I said, "I am going to work." These were not book sentences. These were life sentences. This became my morning routine. During the day, life tested me. At work, people spoke fast English. Meetings made me nervous. Sometimes I understood. Sometimes I didn't. Before, I stayed silent. Now, I used simple sentences. Please repeat. I am learning English. Can you speak slowly? Thank you for your help. Sometimes people smiled. Sometimes they ignored me. But something inside me was changing. Fear was slowly disappearing. If at this moment you feel this story is your own, if this life feels familiar to you, then stay with me. Because real change does not come suddenly. It comes quietly. In the evening, when I came home tired, I wanted rest. But instead of scrolling on my phone, I gave English just 10 minutes. I listened to a short English story. Not fast. Not difficult. I repeated sentences that matched my life. I am very tired today. I worked all day. Tomorrow is a new day. This became my evening routine. At night, when everyone was asleep, I talked to myself. How was my day? My day was hard. What did I learn? I learned something small. What will I do tomorrow? I will not stop. This was my night routine. Days passed. Weeks passed. Nothing magical happened. No one clapped. No one noticed. But inside me, something powerful was growing. Confidence. Society was still there. Judgment was still there. Comparisons were still there. But they no longer controlled me. Because I was busy building myself. If this story is helping you, if you are learning from these simple sentences, then subscribe to this channel. Months later, my English was still simple. But I could speak. I could explain. I could express myself. People started listening. Not because my grammar was perfect, but because my confidence was real. Now listen carefully. English alone did not change my life. My daily routine did. Small practice. Every single day. If you are poor. If you are middle class. If life feels hard for you. Remember this. You do not need money. You do not need talent. You only need consistency. 10 minutes today. 10 minutes tomorrow. One day, society will ask you, how did you change? And you will answer, I changed my daily routine. Start small. Stay strong. And let your routine build your future.